What is up everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another video related to Cardano price analysis and technical details. It is 19th of January. We're looking forward to some interesting movements on the market as well from the news of the space included. So talking about Cardano, it's ranked number 8 with the past activity of the last 7 days situated on 2.53% increase. It is amongst the average ones, talking around the altcoins. If we're right there to compare it with Solana or Polkadot, we're going to have difficulties discovering the differences. Yet Cardano successfully increased the week before all these cryptocurrencies moved. So which is why it is not showing in the past 7 days that much of an increase. We're going to see more details on the chart side. Not before we talk about, for those of you interested in education, in becoming traders, or would like to perform in trading as a full-time activity, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my website describing how the coaching program works. This is a one-on-one coaching directly with me, where intensively between 4 to 6 weeks, I'll teach you how to trade. At the same time, for those of you which do not want to trade but would like to be part of my trades, what do I trade for myself and for my people, feel free to check out our page, scrembocoaching.com/today, for our trading performance. That is going through API, no upfront fees. It's just purely based on commission out of the pure profits. Everything is explained right here on this page. Now, talking about the news of Cardano, well, we have a whole lot of the thing talking around the way the stable coin of Cardano is most likely described in the space, with some great reactions on board. At the same time, there's so many whales out there talking related to Cardano of cool stuff is coming, right? So that's most likely obvious because simply when you have a cryptocurrency worth of millions of dollars, you definitely want to promote it, right? So when we talk about such opinions, they are most likely very subjective. However, what matters is the argument behind the whole picture, and you know, the stable coin that is about to get launched. It's DJED. You know, everyone is expecting that Cardano is going to move because of that. We'll have to see in terms of Cardano's reaction. Now, what about the price action, which is the most interesting thing? Well, we're looking at the 1 hour candlesticks here, and we have a really impressive situation that shows activity at a significant level. Just like I told you, Cardano did move, even though on CoinMarketCap you don't see that much of it. If I take it here from the bottom of 23 cents and I put it right there on the top, that's 54% in 15 days. 54% in 15 days. I'm saying it once again. For anyone invested $100,000 here, have $154,000 in 15 days, 2 weeks. Which is why cryptocurrencies like this are worth to be working on spot. It is not really needed to do any form of a leverage. It is great to be trading on spot because cryptocurrencies due to their high volatility and intensity in price action. Now, it has definitely moved, as we can see, and it has been surpassing certain levels that were very difficult, such as the green trending line that we have. With the starting of 2023, we had the top established right there. So then once the markets have started to move, Cardano picked up some great numbers pretty quickly, and it has successfully broke out of the barriers, such as the breakout located there on, what was that? That was 8th of January. We broke out, we retested, we found support on the line above it, and then we have spiked really aggressively. Now this spike right here is in 2 hours 20%. Again, such things are not happening daily. Such things are happening when the market, overall speaking, is allowing these cryptocurrencies to perform such. So there is a specific force and energy behind the movement of the whole market as environment. This is not strictly correlated only and alone towards Cardano. When there's such moves, you need the whole environment to be bullish. If you don't have it, you're not gonna go like this. very simply said. So this is the number one condition and essential condition for the markets to move in a sustainable way. In order to cryptocurrencies to move in a sustainable way, you need to have the environment of the market performing well, which means that you need to have BTC and Ethereum if you want to see Cardano upwards. Very simply said. Now, after that breakout, obviously we filled the gap. There was been, a huge gap from the top towards the trending line. It was a huge gap. These gaps are always filled, such as the gap which has been established here. It has been filled by revisiting the line. When we have revisited the line, such as yesterday, we broke below, right? So we lost the support line, which is obviously putting the whole picture in a different direction and perspective. Now we're dealing below the support line and we're looking for some horizontal structures that are having the ability to hold us at these levels. At the same time, the resistance was quite clear in a way. It has popped up right there. The decrease here, the sell-off from the top towards that point in 2 hours, we've been able to gather about 9%. This is double than what Ethereum or BTC has lost during those hours. I remember I checked just a couple of minutes earlier and we've lost in the Ethereum close to 4.8, 4.7%. This is less than that. However, Cardano has been performing quite well for the past activity in January 2023. Would like to see how the whole picture portrays the numbers in the future as well. It's going to be a year of accumulation. It should be a year where things are going to add up together and find some stability. But for the moment, we're looking for seeing Cardano ranging between the two horizontals. This one, right, and this one. Those are two zones. I'm looking for seeing Cardano ranging between those two zones. That's it, folks. Once again, for those of you which are interested in education and think that by getting your skills to higher levels in understanding how the charts are functioning, including how the situation in the market looks like, will generate you resources, well, then you can definitely participate in the process of getting educated for the highest levels. Beautiful, great. So looking forward to it, guys. Have a good time, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon.